Hey guys, welcome to the course. I am so excited that you're here. You've just taken the next step in becoming a better digital artist, and that says a lot about your dedication to what you do. Now, if you're wanting to become better at digital painting, this course is definitely going to be the course to help you. It's going to cover everything from the very basics, like how to use certain tools and different techniques, all the way to painting different textures and surfaces, and even different painting techniques itself. It's not just going to come easy though. It takes practice. It's going to take a lot of work and dedication, okay? There's lots of assignments in this course, and as I do the demos, you should follow along on your own so that you can learn the techniques and become better as an artist. Now, I really recommend that you use the Facebook group. It's a really great resource where you can get feedback from other students as well as myself, as well as use the Q&A. Now, it's a long course, and it might be difficult to stick with it, but I really encourage you to do so, and I promise that if you do the assignments and you stick with the course and make it all the way to the end, that you will be blown away with your improvement as a digital artist. So, that being said, I can't wait to get started.